Sugary beverages are just not healthy for you. They are loaded with sugar. They're just not healthy for you. So here are 8 healthier alternatives to sugary beverages. Number 1, infused water. So you can get a pitcher of water and put a couple of fruit slices in there, such as lemon, lime, berries, or cucumber. And you can also add some herbs as well, such as mint or basil, to give it a hint of herbal goodness, and then refrigerate for a couple of hours. Number 2, herbal teas. So you can get a number of herbal teas, but just to name a few, there's chamomile, peppermint, hibiscus that you can steep in hot water, and then you can serve either hot or let it cool, and you can also serve it cool. Number 3, sparkling water. So you can do this a number of ways. You can purchase sparkling water from the supermarket, but if you're going to purchase the sparkling flavored water from the supermarket, you want to make sure that it says 0 sugar on the back of it. Okay? Make sure it says 0 sugar. Okay? Another way that you can do this is you can get plain sparkling water from the supermarket, and then when you get home, just add a couple of fruit pieces to that, some citrus fruit to it to to add some citrus flavor to it, and then you would refrigerate it and serve it cool. Another way that you can do this is also you can, once again, utilize the plain sparkling water, add some citrus fruit. You can also add some herbs such as mint or basil to give it a hint of herbal goodness, and you can serve it once it has been cooled or chilled. Number 4, coconut water. Coconut water has so much vitamins and minerals, and it also has electrolytes, which helps you to stay hydrated. Okay? And so you want to make sure you're getting 100% pure coconut water. Number 5, iced green tea. So you can get some green tea bags and you can steep it in hot water and then let it cool, add some ice, add some lemon to give it some flavor, and serve it chilled. Number 6, vegetable juice. You can juice some vegetables and also add a hint of lemon to it to give it a hint of lemon flavor. Number 7, almond milk. You want to make sure you're getting the unsweetened almond milk, which you can purchase from the supermarket. And the unsweetened almond milk should say on the back 0 grams of sugar. That's the difference between the unsweetened and the regular almond milk. So please make sure that you're getting unsweetened almond milk and not the other almond milk. Unsweetened, once again, 0 grams of sugar. The other almond milk that's not unsweetened will have sugar. Number 8, smoothies. So smoothies, you can use either frozen or unfrozen fruit. You can also add some yogurt, use water, or you can use unsweetened almond milk to make a smoothie. Try these healthier alternatives and stop with the sugary beverages for better health and well-being.